during the hurricanes or even doing one of Florida's summer storms, like these people are going around knocking on doors. How can homeowners protect themselves from the legal contracts, from the insurance fraud claims? Like, how do you guys come in play to help the homeowners?
I mean, at the end of the day, it's unreasonable to expect that after every, major storm or, windstorm, rainstorm, hailstorm, that, you're going to get up on top of your roof and inspect for damage. I mean, most of the time, especially in the state of Florida where we have a lot of retirees, it is just totally unreasonable for an 80-year-old to get up on their roof and inspect. So not a bad idea to have your roof inspected after a major, weather event that we have through Florida, which happens quite frequently. But how you can protect yourself as a homeowner is just to make sure that, whoever you're talking to or whoever is coming out to your property, make sure they're licensed. Ask the right questions. If you are ever in doubt, certainly just pick up the phone and contact an attorney group or, someone who is in this industry who can review whatever document it is they're signing. But never a bad idea to have somebody just come out, walk your property and, ask for photos. Don't just take them at their word. Have them show you photographs. Like, here, this is the damage that I'm seeing, and have them point it out so that you can make an informed decision about the next step for your property.
Yeah, for sure. And, there are the door knockers out there, and there's plenty of, bad actors out there. But certainly, if someone's on your roof, tells you have damage, they've shown you the photographs, if you still don't feel comfortable, reach out to an attorney law group like us. And, we have reputable, roofers in the industry who, can go out, get a second opinion, get a third opinion, of what damage you have up there, of, whether it's, warrants they claim or not. And then just be, careful of what you're signing, read through anything that's presented to you. Knowledge is power. So you don't understand a contract, certainly, again, contact, attorneys like us who would, happily review that contract for you, to make sure that, your interest is protected.
Okay. And look them up, guys. Like, Google's a powerful tool out there to you. If, you've never heard of the roofing company, just do a quick Google search. Are they a licensed company? Are they reputable? What are people saying about them? So, I just tell everybody, like, a little bit of common sense sometimes goes a long way.